Whatever we feel in the mind, joy or pain, it will not affect Rigpa, the true nature of mind. Rigpa will not be limited or controlled. The true nature of mind is pure and luminous. It will not be bound or punished by cause and condition. It will also not be affected by happiness or joy, because the Buddha nature is pure and perfect. What we feel now are defilements, attachments, and the karma of sentient beings, because our dualistic mind is bound by the karma. Sometimes we feel there are two minds. In fact, this is not the case. Before we realize the true Buddha nature, we still are bound by attachment, pain, and suffering in the relative level. This mind that feels the pain and suffering is the conceptual mind. And this is not the ultimate Buddha nature. The true Buddha nature, or Rigpa, will not be bound or affected by the dualistic world.